Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Liza's Cooking Paradise. My regard and best wishes to you all. Today I am going to prepare for you guys an unique dish which is made by drumstick curry that will be prepared with potato chunks and mustard gravy. The chunks I have to use in it made by grinding soaked urad dal, moong dal and salt, spices etc. and dried small cake for dumpling. It is purely made homemade. So let's start without delaying today's cooking process of drumstick curry. So first of all, let's know the ingredients are used in it. I have mentioned on both screen and description box. You may note down there wherever you prefer. Now we have to prepare a paste of cumin seeds, mustard seed, garlic and red chili by a grinder and keep aside for later use. After that, we have to cut all our vegetables such as drumstick, potato, onion, brinjal and tomatoes. I have already cut and kept all. You can see. You can do this on your own. It's depend on you. After that, we will add chopped drumstick and potatoes on hot water for boil. For faster boiling, cover a lid at least for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add chopped brinjal. I have not added brinjal along with potatoes and drumstick because it is soft and will be boiled first and cause damage. Now let's add some salt and cover the lid for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover the lid and strain out all the vegetables and keep it aside along with the stock water. The stock vegetable will also include in further use. It has been saying it has many health benefits. If it will goes out, it will lose the value. Now set another pan and add oil. Let it heat. Add chunks and fry for a few minutes on medium flame. And let it to be golden brown and pick out and keep aside. After that, we will add further more oil on same pan and let it heat on medium flame. Add chopped onion and fry until golden brown. After golden brown, add chopped tomato in it and saute for a while till soften. And then add a pinch of turmeric powder . Add chili powder as required and stir a spatula for a while. Add pre-prepared mustard paste and mix well by running the spatula. And then add our main ingredient, pre-boiled all vegetables in it and stir well on medium flame. After mixing well, we have to add a little more salt to taste, estimating before adding. And run the spatula furthermore. Now the time will come to add our another most important thing, pre-kept vegetable stock in it, and run the spatula for some time slowly. Now we have to add pre-prepared and pre-fried chunks. Somewhere it is called vadi also. After adding chunks, leave for a while. Don't leave for long time and high flame unless it will lose the original quality and taste. Now you can see it is soft and fine, so it is perfectly ready. And then take out on a plate and garnish with some fresh coriander leaf and serve hot and enjoy. I hope you like this one. If it is happened, don't forget to press the subscription button to stay connected with my future videos. Thanks for watching.